We celebrate our 74th Independence Day this year, and as we continue to celebrate the past of India's arduous journey to independence, we at Bal Bhavan Public School would also like to offer a glimpse of what it means to be truly independent in the contemporary times through the voices of our children.
For me, independence is the country where the people are not bounded to a caste or a culture. They are free to do anything they want to do.
Independence to me would mean like I can get n number of opportunities so that I can make my dream come true. I can become an astroscientist.
Well, this was the way we used to celebrate Independence Day in the past years, flag hosting, and we all used to gather in school. But this time is going to be a little different. Even though the way we celebrate Independence Day is different, the meaning of independence particularly doesn't change for me. Independence for me is being able to talk freely and move my hands like that, and no one's gonna object. And I personally think that independence is something that allows you to do anything, but we choose to do the right thing. That's independence.
Independence for me is a state of freedom to speak, write, and express whatever I feel. Since I am a football player, independence is to play the game as long as I can and enjoy it.
आदि ये महज एक शब्द ही नहीं किंतु एक जीव में छिपी भावना भी है। छिपी इसलिए क्योंकि कई लोग इसे जानते हुए भी नकार देते हैं। मेरे लिए आज़ादी केवल अधिकार ही नहीं बल्कि ज़रूरत भी है।
According to me, independence is the freedom to pursue my own actions and ideas and to build my own thought process, leaving behind the societal stereotypes.
According to me, independence is having the freedom of doing whatever I am passionate about.
To me, independence is the freedom which let me help my brothers and sisters all over the country without any biasness on the ground of caste, gender, religion, race and economical.
Independence for me is expressing myself through activities which I like to do and which can express myself freely.
Independence means to me like these small plants which are fully to grow up and develop, like these clouds which are free to move anywhere, no one can stop them.
For me, independence means living your life to the fullest. It's to enjoy and do your best every single day of your life.
We all celebrate our Independence Day every year with a grandiose celebration. But this year, it would be an exception due to COVID-19 pandemic. But amidst these situations, we all stand united and we are celebrating our Independence Day virtually. For me, independence means making my own choices and taking the responsibility of the consequences. Nelson Mandela says, for to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. Jai Hind and a very happy Independence Day.
The ones who are foraging for their own identities today are the ones who are going to shape the identity of a nation tomorrow. These Bal Bhavan Knights voicing their ideologies which are firmly rooted and grounded in seeking independence from all kinds of social oppressions are truly the voice of the new age independent 21st century India and the true torch bearers of the country that we wish once again to be called the Golden Bird. A very happy Independence Day to all.